Hey everyone, welcome back to the Visa Library. I'm Max and today we're exploring the exciting process of immigrating to New Zealand as a nurse. If you're considering a move to this beautiful country, you've come to the right place. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our community of visa enthusiasts. We release new content 3 times a week, so you won't want to miss out. Be sure to subscribe and let's go. What are the types of nursing jobs in New Zealand? They are here. Alright, what are the types of employers for nurses? Again, they're here. What are the entry requirements? Number 1, enrolled nurse. They play a vital role in patient care under the supervision of a registered nurse or nurse practitioner. To become an enrolled nurse, you'll need to complete a level 5 diploma of enrolled nursing, pass a test administered by a qualified provider, and pass a test to become a registered nurse. Number 2, registered nurse. They must obtain a Bachelor of Nursing degree or an approved level 7 or level 8 credential recognized by the Nursing Council of New Zealand, pass a test administered by a qualified provider, and pass a test administered by the Nursing Council of New Zealand to registered nurses. Number 3, nurse practitioner. You'll need a minimum of 4 years of experience as a registered nurse, complete a recognized master's program provided by the Nursing Council, and pass a test conducted by the Nursing Council of New Zealand. Number 4, Plunkett nurse. You'll need to secure a Plunkett nurse position, completing a postgraduate certificate in primary healthcare specialty nursing or level B while on the job is also required. Number 5, practice nurse. For those interested in becoming a practice nurse in New Zealand, certification in CPR is a must. Additionally, a certificate of proficiency in cervical screening may be required depending on your duties. Alright, what are the English requirements? You typically have to pass an English language test. The Nursing Council accepts the IELTS or other exams. In addition, you must obtain an IELTS score of at least 7 in each band on the IELTS academic test. If your primary education, secondary education, or higher education was completed in one of the external English-speaking countries, you are exempt from taking the English language test. Alright, how to immigrate to New Zealand as a nurse? Step 1, determine your eligibility. Ensure you meet the initial requirements such as English proficiency, a recognized nursing degree, and relevant professional experience. Review the Nursing Council of New Zealand's specific requirements. Step 2, perform research and job search. Analyze the New Zealand nursing job market, healthcare system, and areas with the best opportunities. Explore online job boards, nursing associations, and networking sites for potential employment. Step 3, go through registration and accreditation. Register with the Nursing Council of New Zealand to practice nursing. They assess your credentials, work history, and competence. Visit their website for registration procedures and required documentation. Step 4, apply for a visa. Once you have a job offer, apply for the appropriate work visa. The skilled migrant category is commonly used, requiring an expression of interest and a points-based assessment. Additional visa options may be available. Step 5, match the health and character checks. Undergo a medical exam to demonstrate good health. provide police clearances or character documents from your home country or previous residencies. Step 6. Submit your application. Complete the required forms, attend supporting materials, pay the fees, and follow immigration authorities' instructions. Submit your application online or through the designated channel. Step 7. Wait for a decision. The immigration authorities will review your application. Be patient, as processing times can vary. They may contact you for additional information or an interview. Step 8. Arrive and settle in New Zealand. If your application is accepted, you will receive your visa. Make travel accommodation and logistical arrangements. Upon arrival, familiarize yourself with the laws, customs, and healthcare systems. Alright, how to register and get a license to practice in New Zealand. Let's see. Assess your eligibility for step 1. Receive the eligibility requirements provided by the Nursing Council of New Zealand. Ensure you meet criteria such as holding a nursing degree or equivalent, meeting English language proficiency requirements, and having the required work experience. Step 3. Gather required documents. Collect all the necessary evidence to support your application, such as your nursing degree, academic transcripts, proof of registration, CV, identification documents, and proof of English language proficiency. Step 3. Complete an application form. Fill out the registration application form provided by the Nursing Council of New Zealand. Provide accurate and current information, including your contact details, educational background, and employment history. Step 4. Provide supporting documents. Attach all the required supporting documents to your application form. This may include certified copies of academic transcripts, nursing registration certificates, certificates of good standing, and proof of English language proficiency. Step 5. Pay application fees. Submit your application form along with the required fees. These fees cover the processing and evaluation costs associated with your application. Step 6. Go through assessment and verification. The New Zealand Nursing Council will review your application credentials and work history. They may also contact the nursing regulatory bodies in your home country for verification. Step 7. Go through the competence assessment. Depending on your credentials and experience, you may need to undergo a competence assessment by the Nursing Council. This assessment validates your knowledge and skills against New Zealand nursing standards. Step 8. Wait for the decision and notification. After processing and evaluating your application, the Nursing Council will notify you of their decision. If accepted, you will receive your nursing registration and license to practice in New Zealand. What are the visa options for foreign nurses? We can see the list here. How much is the salary of nurses in New Zealand? In New Zealand, a registered nurse typically earns $37 per hour. Here, you can see the top companies for registered nurses in New Zealand and their pay. And again, here, you can see the highest paying cities for registered nurses in New Zealand. Okay. What are the benefits of immigrating to New Zealand as a nurse? In terms of benefits, I can mention job stability, flexible working schedules, possibility of career advancements and opportunities, a good healthcare system, good climate, and plenty of activities outside work. And that's a wrap. Now you have all the information you need to kickstart your application and turn your dream of immigrating to New Zealand as a nurse into reality. Don't forget to download our handy cheat sheet from the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay informed about all our visa-related content, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm. Follow us on our social media accounts for more updates and valuable resources. If you have any specific visa topics you would like to be covered, leave a comment below. And thank you all for watching.